Let's quickly see how you can manage HubSpot deals on WhatsApp using Eazybe. It's super simple. Creating a deal. First, open the WhatsApp chat of the contact you are working with. Make sure you're already in HubSpot. Now, let's click here on the HubSpot icon on the sidebar. See the fourth button? That's the deal section. Tap it. Now, click New Deal and a form pops up. Fill in the details like deal name, value, stage, whatever is needed. Need to tweak the fields? Click here on the edit icon to add or to reorder whatever you want. Easy, right? Managing deals. Want to check or update deals? Go to the same deal section in the contacts chat. Here you'll see all of the deals linked to that contact. Click here on the redirect button if you want to see it in HubSpot or if you want to edit directly here. Updating, just click here in the edit icon. Make your changes, maybe update the stage or pipeline and save. Boom, you're good to go. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. See you in the next one.